Hi guys.
Hey.
Tell Lauren how much you miss her.
A lot.
Really?
It's a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
You guys want her to come home soon? Okay guys. Hi Lauren. I miss you a whole lot. And I hope you come home soon and happy. And I'm gonna show you my music note shirt. Da-da-dum-duddy. Ta-da! See? It's got little music notes and little buttons. How cute, cute, cute. So, yeah, we miss you a lot, and we hope you come home soon and happy. And yeah, and hi roommate and Patrick, whatever your face name thing is. Okay, well that's all. We miss you. Have fun. Bye.